In this video, we present Fl.UIs, liquid mediated vision-based touch surfaces. Fl.UIs are touch input devices that create color changes around a point of contact detected by an overhead camera. The hardware is completely unpowered and durable for use as public installations. Fl.UIs are inexpensive and easy to build with access to a laser cutter. We provide a full pipeline for designing these unique touch input surfaces. This pipeline consists of a Fl.UIs design tool for cutting files and an online API for calibrating the camera and touch interactions. Fl.UIs are designed to be watertight structures, emulating traditional pressure vessels. They consist of friendly laser-cuttable materials. It begins with a sturdy base, followed by gasket material, a flex layer, a load ring, and an optional nut ring to make it easy to assemble. The liquids you use produce different effects, such as oil or water. Fl.UIs is motivated by designing structures for displacing a colored liquid. We can decompose these design parameters to basic components of wells and channels. In the design process, the user first begins by outlining her custom shape in any vector graphics editor. Then she uploads the outline to our web-based tool that generates the proper geometry and outputs cutting files for the laser cutter. With the physical layers cut, the user now assembles and fills the Fl.UI. Traditional systems try to detect and move around occlusion. The displacement of liquid promotes our design principle for computer vision systems, or spatial redundancy. This aids in moving the region of interest away from the point of contact, allowing CV systems to more robustly detect input. Theoretically, these emulate a larger goal of tangible user interfaces in that physical processes are directly associated with interactions. The CV system uses the Get User Media API and lets a designer use her own webcam for quickly prototyping interactions with fluid interfaces. The CV system takes an HS histogram and analyzes the scene. Changes and light variation can be adjusted for by keeping static color cues. The rise of makerspaces has opened access to digital fabrication tools like 3D printing and laser cutting. Now we take advantage of these digital tools to build a functional input device. Fl.UIs provides a web-accessible design tool to facilitate building touch input devices that go to unexplored territory.